Nokia N80 disassembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You will need the following tools: straight metal tweezers, a Torx Plus driver size 6, a dental pick, an SS93, a flat-bladed screwdriver, an SS45 camera removal tool, an SRT6, an SS51 camera removal tool, and a DC plug. Cover the window with protective film. Also cover the camera window with protective film. Unlock and remove the C cover. Push open the slide assembly. Unscrew the 2 screws shown in the following order. And remove them with tweezers. The A cover is removed after unlocking all the concealed snaps with the SRT6.